What is bipolar disorder? Bipolar disorder, also called manic depressive illness, or manic depression, is a serious brain illness. People with bipolar disorder go through extreme mood changes. Sometimes they feel very happy and up, and are much more energetic and active than usual. This is called a manic episode. Sometimes people with bipolar disorder feel very sad and down, have low energy, and are much less active. This is called depression, or a depressive episode. Bipolar disorder is not the same as the normal ups and downs everyone goes through. The mood swings are more extreme than that, and are accompanied by changes in sleep, energy level, and the ability to think clearly. More than an illness of emotions, this is a dynamic brain disorder that robs patients of their ability to identify alternative life solutions, triggers physical, cognitive, emotional, and behavioral problems, and can result in death. It is not possible to think, exercise, or behave your way out of this illness. Why does someone develop bipolar disorder? Health professionals don't know what causes bipolar disorder, but several things may contribute to the illness. Family genes may be one factor, because bipolar disorder sometimes runs in families. However, it is important to know that just because someone in your family has bipolar, it does not mean other members of the family will have it as well. Another factor that may lead to bipolar disorder is the brain structure or the brain function of the person with the disorder. Scientists are finding out more about the disorder by studying it. Researchers may help doctors do a better job of treating people and predict whether a person will get bipolar disorder. With the advance of medicine, maybe one day, doctors will be able to prevent the illness in some people. Who develops bipolar disorder? Anyone can develop bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder typically develops in late adolescence or early adulthood, with many people experiencing their first symptoms in childhood. Bipolar disorder is often either not recognized or is misdiagnosed, resulting in unnecessary suffering for years before being properly diagnosed and treated. Bipolar disorder is a lifelong illness that must be addressed and treated throughout a person's life, just like any other chronic disease, such as diabetes and heart disease.